So in the last class we were discussing this Nyaya Vaisheshika Darshana. There, Pratyaksha, Anumana, Shabda, and Upamana Pramanas are there. Four Pramanas are accepted by Nyaya Darshanam. I will come back. And in Vaisheshika Darshanam, they accept only Pratyaksha and Anumana. And then Kanada Maharshi says, Edena Shabdam Yakyatam. This means Shabda Pramana is included in Anumana Pramana. So only two Pramanas they accept. We have already seen that Charvakas accept Pratyaksha and Charvaka, only Pratyaksha. So Vachaspati Mishra calls them in Bhamati, a commentary on Shankara Bhashyam, Pashorapi Pashuhu. This person, because if he does not accept Anvara Pramana or Shabda Pramana, how is he going to live in the world, universe? Impossible. So the Charvakas are not taken seriously except for their beautiful words, Charu Vak. So now we have discussed Anumana Pramanam. If it is Swarthanumana, that means for himself, he would, although he does not notice the fire in the hills, he by noticing the smoke, he would infer that there is fire because of his experience in the kitchen. When he wants to tell others about this Swarthanumana, then he uses 5 or 10. The number of vakyas would differ from Shastra to Shastra, doesn't matter. So then it is called Pararthanumana. Pararthanumana Janaka Panchavayava Visishta Mahavakyam is Nyaya. Avayava is nothing but Avantra Vakyam. Pancha Avayava they call it technically. Okay, so that is Nyaya Darshanam. Then Pratyaksha Anumana Shabda Pramanam. This is Shabda Pramanam is Aptavakyam Shabdaha. This is what is said in what you call Tarka Sangraha. Aptastu Yathartha Vakta. Patanjali, this is quoted in Laghumanjusha of Nagesh Bhatta. Patanjali in Charkasutram said, Ragadivashadapi yaha nanyathavadi saha aptaha. So a person may have raga or dvesha or something like that against another person. In spite of that, if he tells the fact, okay, Ragadivashadapi na anyathavadi. Anyatha he doesn't say otherwise. He tells the fact. Saha aptaha. That is another kind of definition for apta. So aptavakyam shabdaha. Whatever the person who is considered to be yathartha vakta apta, his words are pramanam. We will come back to Veda and I will give what happens. Third one is upamana pramanam. See, what happens is someone wants to have a glance at Gavaya, an animal which resembles a cow. So he asked a person coming from forest how to identify a Gavaya. Then the Atavika said, you know a cow? Yes. Gauriva Gavayaha. When you enter the forest, you will come across an animal that is just like a cow. Take it for granted, that is called Gavaya. So this is called Upamana Pramanam. Okay. So Upama is, Upa means Samipe, nearby, Mana, Ma means to measure. Because when you say Parvati, Chandramukhi Parvati, completely you cannot say that Parvati's face is just like Chandra. So that's why it is called Upamana. Upa Samipe, nearby, not completely. These four Pramanas. Now, according to Purvamimamsa, what they do is, this is separately treated. Which one? Veda. Veda is Apaurisheya. What is the difference between Paurisheya and Apaurisheya? If it is Paurisheya, there is every chance of having some errors, human errors, like Bhranti. In Veda, what happens? Please note down that verse, Pratyakshena anumityava yastupayo na vidyate etam vedanti vedena tasmad vedasya vedata. This is quoted by Sayana Madhava in Veda Bhashya Bhumika. So what is Vedata? What is Vedatvam? What is the specialty of Veda? Because if you say Aptavakyam Shabdaha, Here there is nobody. We have yesterday, last class we discussed in Bhagavad Asyava Mahato Bhotasya Nishvasitam Yadarigvedaha Yajurvedaha Ityadi. Therefore, this is Apaurushaya. That's why there is Shabdi Bhavana and Arthi Bhavana. Shabdi Bhavana is from Shabda it is coming. So this is Veda is Pramanam. Unlike Aptavakya, Aptavakyam Shabdaha, for Laukika Kalidasa or Sushruta, Charaka, anybody you can take. His words are Pramanam. That is Shabda Pramanam. But here Veda is different. How is it different? Pratyakshena. Okay, neither through Pratyaksha Pramana. You know what it is. Anuvityava, Anumitihi, Anumanam, Anuma, Anumanaha. 4 words are synonymous. So Anumiti or Anumanam both are one and the same. So either by Pratyaksha Pramana or Anumana Pramana, it cannot be known. Anuvityava, yes to Upayaha na vidyate. There is no Upaya. It is no device is there to know certain things. Isn't it? For example, if you take Yaga, say, Swagakamo Yajayata, for example. Pratyaksha Pramana, Anumana Pramana, it is not there for Swarga. Similarly, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, Taittiriya Upanishad. To say that there is Brahman, neither Pratyaksha nor Anumana is useful. So, Upayaha na vidyate, etam Vedanti, Jananti. People will do know such a thing which cannot be known through either Pratyaksha Pramana or Anumana Pramana. Okay, Tasmat Vedasya Vedata. That's why it is called Veda, Vedata, Vedatvam, the Jati. Jati and Vyakti, I will give a brief introduction. Okay, so this is what is called Veda. So, Nyaya Darshanam mainly deals with Anumana Pramana, Pramanas, and Vaisheshika also the same. In Vaisheshika, mostly they go also Nyaya, Paramanu, Anu, and Januka, Triyanuka, and all that their system goes on right there. Okay. Then Yoga and Sankhya. Okay. Yoga means Yuja Samadho is the verb, not Yujir Yoge. Yuja Samadho. So Yogaha Chittavritti Nirodhaha. First sutram of Yoga and Shasanam. Yogaha Chittavritti Nirodhaha. There are 3 kinds of doshas, defects in the world. Vak dosha, Manasika dosha, Sharirika dosha. Patanjali, in order to see that they will get rid of the doshas, Vak doshas, Patanjali authored Mahabhashyam on Paniniya Vyakaranam, that is Ashtadhyayi. In order to see that people will get rid of the Manasika doshas, Patanjali authored Yoga Anushasanam. Shasanam was by Hiranyagarbha, Anushasanam is by Patanjali. Then in order to see that the people will get rid of these Sharirika doshas, Patanjali authored Charaka Sotram. Only some sutras are available now. Come back. So, what is yoga? Yoga Chittavritti Nirodhaha. Chanchalam hi manahpartha. See, mind is always fickle. By nature it is so. Bhagavad Gita. Isn't it? So, Chitta, Manas, it's vritti, Vyaparaha, it's a movement, Nirodhaha, to arrest the mind from going hither and thither, this way and that. That is called yoga. So, in order to achieve Chitta Shuddhi, one has to take up all the 8 angas, just like in Ayurveda you have Shalyam, Shalakyam, etc. Ashtangas. Here in Yoga Shastram also you have Yama, Niyamasana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi, Ashtangas are there. So, through all these things, Ishvara Pranidhana Dvara, Yoga Sutram, again it is there. Some yoga we will discuss in Bhashyam, I mean Shankara Bhashyam also. Etena Yoga Pratyaktaha, one sutram is there of Badarayana. What does it mean? How Shankaracharya comments on that. So, these 8 angas are important. That is, Ishvara is accepted. So, it is an Astika Darshan. All these are Astika Darshanas. Then Sankhyam. Sankhya means number. Sankhya means Jnanam. Sankhyavan Panditah Kavihi, Amar Kosha. Sankhyavan means Panditaha. Sankhya means Jnanam. Jnanam is important. Similarly, Sankhya, Panchavinshati Tattva and 25 Tattvas are there. Mala Prakriti, Purusha, Panchabhutani, Panchajnanendriyani, Panchakarmendriyani, Buddhi, Ahankara, all those things they say 25 is important for them. These things are discussed in Charaka Samhita, etc. also. Sankhya is taken most of it. Kapila Sankhya is famous. What they say mainly is because Shankaracharya is going to refute Sankhya Matam. What they say is Prakriti or Pradhanam is there. It doesn't have Chaitanya. Purusha is there, which has got Chaitanya. So if you take Ishvara Krishna's Sankhya Karika, there he says Pangu Andhavat. Pangu, a lame person. Andha is a blind person. So the Andha, blind person, put the lame person on his shoulders and taking like that. Like that, this Prakriti and Purusha, both of them, okay, with Paraspara Sahaya, mutual assistance, they will cause this Sarga. Sarga means Srishti. So that is generally about Sankhya Darshanam. This Nyaya and this Sankhya, etc., all those people, what they argue, Tattvajnanan Moksha. Tattvam should be known. Actually, for all the darshanas, that is the very purpose. We have seen Darshayati Tattvam iti darshanam we have already. So, Purvamimamsa, Uttaramimamsa, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Yoga and Sankhya are 6 Astika darshanas. We will come back to Mimamsa for a while. So, you said in Sankhya darshanam that is there. In the Yoga Shastram, this is there. And just a quick this thing with Charvaka, that he doesn't accept either Parloka or Veda Pramanyam. So for him, Atma means body. Moksha means depth. They have their own. And only Akasha is not there for him. Only for these things, elements. No, Akasha is not there. And as long as you live, you take loans and enjoy. Nowadays, we come across so many people, what are they taking loans from banks and enjoying here or elsewhere. So all these people partly follow Charvaka. That is that. So then Bauddha, Jaina. Among Bauddha, Sautrantika, Vibhashika, etc., 4 categories are there. Buddha did not say anything about the existence of God. Therefore, Mahayana, Hinayana. And Kumarila Bhatta actually heckled at him in Shlokavartikam. Yeah, he called someone, Kumarila Bhatta, and asked who is that person. He is Sarvajna. In Tarkasamgraha it is stated, Sarvajnaha Ishvaraha Eka Eva. Sarvan Janatiti Sarvajnaha. Kaprachya, Igvajna Prikirah Kaha Panisotram. Okay, Sarvan Janatiti Sarvajnaha. Sarvajna we call only Ishvara. The Kumarila Bhatta, he asked someone, he said he is Sarvajna. He is Sarvajna? Who said that he is Sarvajna? What is the meaning of the question? Only a Sarvajna only is eligible to certify someone as Sarvajna. An Alpajna cannot certify someone as a Sarvajna. That is the question. Then Kumarila Bhatta said, hey, who said he is Sarvajna? Sir, that person said that he is Sarvajna. Oh, is this person Sarvajna? No. Then how can he certify that this person is Sarvajna? So, Bauddha Mata Khandana is beautiful in Shlakavartikam, Purvamimamsa. So, therefore, Bauddhas, Vijnanavadins, what they say, Shankaracharya says, Jagat is Mithya, Brahma Satyam he is going to say. But those people said, everything is Vijnana. Actually, there is no wall. Tatra Kudyam Nasti. Kintu Kudya Buddhihi Kudya Vijnanam Bhavataha Manasi Astiti Krutva Kudyam Vichichite. There is no anything like wall. That is there in your mind, Vijnana. They are called Vijnanavadins. So some people, that's why called Shankaracharya Prachanna Bauddham Advaitam. So Vijnanavadin and Sautrantikas, what is Sotam, there are 4 kinds of, and Jainas are there. See, actually, Buddhas and Jainas, most of them are Kshatriyas, they were against anti-Brahmin type of thing they have started. So because these Vedas, these Yajnas and all these things only, these people, so we also want to be respected, worshipped. How, what to do? And what is the easy way? Easy yajnas, yagas, etc. is very difficult. You have to learn the mantras, you should know the procedure, Kalpa Shastram, Shruta Sotram, Smartam, what is this? Who can do all this? A lot of memory is required. So that is not. So common people, in order to attract the common people, what they said? No, this yajnas, yagas, etc. is nothing. But what they said again, what is there in Upanishads? The same thing they said. Satyam, Ahimsa, and all the things. Most of them. So they started like that. He could not withstand the Khandanam by Shankaracharya. Bauddhamata Khandanam is there in Mahabharata, that is also there. So Jainas also said they have Guru Tirthankara, etc. Most of the things are Upanishadic tenets only. Whatever is there in the Upanishads, those things only they got. Okay. And Gautam Buddha, he doesn't say what is Jnanam. But then Kumar Bhatta says, Kudyadaka Nirgachet. Oh, so such kind of Upadesha may come out even from a wall. Why not? Like, so that is, the 6 are Nastika Darshanas. So now we have seen Astika Darshanas, Nastika Darshanas. Coming back to 1 or 2 important things, because once you start the main lesson, you cannot go on discussing these basic things. Jati and Vyakti. What is Jati? What is Vyakti? So when you say do not kill a cow, Gauna Hantavya, a cow means all the cows. Go Jati. Fetch a cow means go Vyakti, a single cow individual, not all the cows. That means a Shabda has got either Jati or Vyakti as meaning. How can you say either? Why can't you say? Because what is meant by Jati? What is the Jati in a cow? Gotvam, Gotva Jati. Translation difficult, cowness roughly you can say. Gotva Jati. So can you see a Go Vyakti, a cow individual without Gotva Jati? No. So Jati Vyaktiyoho Samavaya Sambandha. Nyaya. Jati Vyaktiyoho Nantariyakatvam Vyakaranam. Jati Vyaktiyoho Samavaya Sambandha. Samavaya Sambandha is Nitya Sambandha. Between 2 things that will be there, either cannot be seen separately from the other. What does it mean? If you take a cow individual, you cannot see a cow individual without Gotva Jati. If you want to see Gotva Jati, you have to go to a cow individual. So Jati and Vyakti have got a Nitya Sambandha called Samavaya in Nyaya Darshanam. In Mahabharata, Patanjali says Nantariyakatvam. Antara without na. Without Jati, no Vyakti. Without Vyakti, no Jati. Then what kind of usage is this? Depending on the importance. Sometimes when you say do not kill a cow, Jati is important, Vyakti is unimportant. When you say fetch a cow, then Vyakti is important, Jati is unimportant. And one more thing from Vyakaranam. See, Dravyam or Vyakti is there. Finally, Dravyam is Brahman only. Okay, there will be Jati Shabda, Guna Shabda, Kriya Shabda, Saumya Shabda. 4 kinds of Shabdas are there. So Jati Shabda, automatically Vyakti comes, or Dravyam. Jati, Samanyam, Akruti. All the 3 mean the same. Jati, Akruti, Samanyam. All the 3 mean the same. Dravyam, Vyaktihi, Padarthaha, all the 3 mean the same. So when you take a Dravyam, for example, you take a cow. Okay, can you separate Gotva Jati from a cow individual and see or show for me? Impossible. Asambhava. Similarly, when you Nila Gahu, for example, a white cow, for example, say Shweta. Can you separate the whiteness, Guna, from a cow and see or show for me? Blackboard. Blackness from the board, can you separate? No. Similarly, Chaitraha Gacchati. Chaitra is going. Going is a Kriya. Can you separate Kriya from Chaitra, the person who is involved in that activity, okay, can you separate that Kriya from him and see her show from me? No. So Jati, Guna and Kriya, of course Samjna means name. Samjna, all of these things have got Vyakti or Dravyam as their resort. Dravyashritaha. Ete sarvepi Dravyashritaha. Dravyam ashritya vartante. They have a Dravyam as their resort. But since in the world, what happens is you have to run the show. One cannot escape. Therefore, these four kinds of Shabdas, that means the gamut of Shabdas are put under four headings by Patanjali in Mahabhashyam. These things are useful in. Then, Nayayikas, Vaiyakaranaas, Mimamsakas, of course others also, they accept Jati as a Nityam. Nityapadartha. That means although you kill all the cows, engaging Mr. Kilmore is waiting. You ask him to kill. He goes on killing all the cows. Still Gotva Jati will be there. That means you are accepting Srishti, Punasrishti. Otherwise you cannot have. Isn't it? So, Jati is Nitya for these people. Then what about Vedanta? What about Bauddha? In Vedanta, in Chandogya Upanishad, there is one mantra. Agnehe agnitvam apagat. Agnehe agnitvam apagat. Agnitva left Agni. Agnitva is a Jati. Tasya bhavas tatalo panini sutram. So, tva or tal you can add to any word that means Jati. Striyatvam, striyata. Purushatvam, purushata. Prakshatvam, prakshata. Gotvam, gota. Like that. Okay. Agnehe agnitvam apagat, taking the Chandogya Upanishad, Jati is Anitya for Vedantins. For that matter, they don't want to accept anything other than Brahman. If you accept Jati, you have to accept Guna, you have to accept something else. All those things as Upadhi, they accept. If you take a Ghata, Akasha is one and only one. There are no parts. But if you take a Ghata, inside you have Ghatakasha. If you take a Karaka, a small mug, in that Karakakasha is there. That does not mean that Akasha has got so many kinds of Vibhaga. No. Never. So, for Vedantins, Jati is not there. Nayayikas, Vaiyakaranaas, Mimamsakas, Jati is Nitya and it is there. Come back. What about Bauddhas? Bauddhas accepted four Arya Satyas. Sarvam Swalakshanam, Sarvam Kshanikam, etc. So there what happens? Sarvam Swalakshanam. Everything on earth, it can be a vriksha, it can be a cow, it can be something else. It has got its own Lakshana. That means you cannot say that since there is vrikshatvam in both these items, both have got the same Jati. You cannot say that. This vriksha is different from that vriksha. If you take Vyakaranam, Mimamsa, etc., what happens? Since vrikshatva Jati is samanya, samana, equally seen, common, there is vrikshatva in all vrikshas commonly. That is Jati. Bauddhas say, no. This vriksha is different, that vriksha is different. You don't accept Jati. Is it clear? Anything you take on earth, it undergoes all these 6 stages. Finally, it will perish. Vinashyati. So then if they say, if the Bauddhas say, Sarvam Kshanikam, Kshanikavada it is called. For every Kshanam, thing undergoes change, everybody knows this. Even Mahabhashyam Patanjali also says this. Then what you have to do? You have to change the name for every Kshana. Is it possible? Whereas if you take other Shastras, what happens? There is Devadatta. Devadatta in Balya, Devadatta in Yavana, Devadatta in Vardhakya. Okay? or Balya, Kaumara, Yavana, Vardhakya, 4 stages also you may take, or 3, doesn't matter. He is the same Devadatta. And sometimes Mundi, we got a clean shaven. Jeti, sometimes he is having jeta. And Shikhi, sometimes he has got only Shikha. Nevertheless, Devadatta is Devadatta only. He is not different from the original Devadatta. So you can run the show. Whereas these people, Ankurat Vriksho Jayate, they don't accept that. No, Ankura is gone, Vriksha has come. That means if you take any kind of tree, for example, you have these pulses, etc. That kind of tree, when you put something, it will come up with 2 sprouts. Then the Vriksha will come. If you say Kshanikam, Ankurat Vriksha Najayate, what do you mean? What are you talking? No. Therefore, this Bauddhamatam could not withstand the test of time. Many people question, they don't have any answers. See, but what this thing is, simply they wanted to differ from Vaidika Sampradaya or other Shastras. Can you withstand? No. Therefore, this Sarvam Kshanikam, Sarvam Svalakshanam, etc. is not going to hold water. So that's why Shankaracharya calls them Vainashikaha. Vinashaha prayojanam tesham, time prachya, prayojanam, Panini Sutram is there. Vinashaha prayojanam tesham. And they don't say anything. After death, what? And if you apply Jyotisham, then there will be nowhere. One thing keep in mind, it's not for glory I am telling, no commentator talks about Jyotisham. You take Nyaya Vaisheshika, 10, minimum I have seen 10 commentaries on each Shastra. Minimum. Vyakaranam, Nyaya Vaisheshika, Mimamsa, Vedanta, etc. Nobody touches Jyotish Shastram. If you take Jyotish Shastram, then what will happen? Why there is a difference from one person or the other? Why? Anyway, in Vedanta, directly it is touched. Punyam, Papam, Dharma, Dharma. Okay, depending on that only, this happens. Vaishamya Naidgrunya Adhikaranam is there. Vaishankaracharya. There we will discuss. Ishvara is Sakshi. People are facing their karma. Sanchita karma and all that prarabdha, all that will come. So, Bauddhas don't have an answer. So, this is about Nastika Darshanas.